Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: how to create a carousel or slider using React Slick and React Swiper.js. Carousels or sliders are great ways to display multiple images or content in an interactive and visually appealing way. With React Slick and React Swiper.js, we can easily implement these spinners in our React projects. In 2023, React Slick has gained fame as a popular circular library for React applications. It offers a host of customizable features and options to create amazing carousels. We'll explore how to use React Slick to create a carousel and even provide you with the source code. Moving to 2023, React Swiper.js has emerged as another powerful circular library for React. It provides a responsive and touch-enabled experience, perfect for mobile-friendly sliders. We will explain how to use React Swiper.js and provide you with the source code for creating a library. We will cover various topics related to spinning wheels and sliders, such as creating a 3D cover flow effect, implementing image scrolling effects with CSS and HTML, creating a draggable card slider, and much more. These tutorials will provide you with step-by-step instructions and source code examples to follow. In addition, we will explore other techniques such as creating multiple image sliders using custom JavaScript code, making them responsive to different devices, and integrating them into your website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Stay tuned as we walk you through the process of creating a responsive certificate slider using HTML, CSS, and Swiper.js. We'll show you how to create an interactive and visually appealing testimonial section for your website. React Slick. If you work with React, the React Slick library offers an easy-to-use way to create a library. It provides various customizable options for displaying images, text, or other content. With the power of React, you can easily integrate Slick React into your project. Source code available for 2022. Swiper.js. Another popular option is Swiper.js, a comprehensive slider library. It provides smooth transitions, touch gestures, and a range of effects. You can take advantage of React Swiper.js to integrate Swiper.js into your React project, making it responsive and interactive. Source code available for 2023. Responsive scroll bar. Responsive scroll bar, Swiper slider with 3D cover flow effect in React.js is a visually stunning option. It provides an immersive 3D effect, which enhances the user experience. Source code available. Draggable card slider. If you prefer a draggable card slider, you can create one using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This approach gives you complete control over the design and behavior of your slider. Source code available. Multiple image slider. Learn how to create a multiple image slider using custom JavaScript code. This tutorial covers the basics of implementing a responsive and interactive slider on your website. Source code available. Testimonial slider. Enhance the testimonial section of your website by implementing a responsive testimonial slider. With CSS and Swiper.js, you can create a dynamic, visually appealing slider that adapts beautifully to different devices. Source code available. By following these examples and using the source code provided, you will be able to add a cool carousel or slider functionality to your website. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. Enjoy creating amazing sliders. Smiling face with smiling eyes rocket. So, if you are ready to learn and dive into the world of creating amazing carousels and sliders for your web projects, be sure to watch this video till the end. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Let's start building amazing carousels and slides together. Rocket Laptop Computer. Thank you for watching, and let's start this amazing journey into the world of certificate sliders with HTML. Let's continue with the certificate slider using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Loudspeaker glowing star. Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to make a certificate slider for your website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Testimonials are an effective way to showcase customer feedback and build trust with your audience. We'll start by creating a responsive and attractive testimonial section using HTML and CSS. We'll design it for a sleek and modern look, ensuring that it adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices. Next, we'll improve our testimonials section by adding JavaScript functions to turn it into a slider. With JavaScript, we can enable smooth transitions between certificates, allowing users to navigate through certificates with ease. We'll cover important concepts like creating a sliding effect, implementing navigation buttons to move between certificates, and adding autoplay functionality to automatically navigate between certificates. Further, we will explore different techniques to make the testimonial slider interactive and attractive. We'll show you how to add animation effects, such as fades and slides, to make certificates more visually appealing. Throughout the tutorial, we will provide you with the full source code, so you can go ahead and build your own certification slider step by step. Plus, we'll include helpful explanations and tips along the way to ensure a smooth learning experience. Whether you're a beginner or have some web development experience, this tutorial is designed to be beginner-friendly and accessible for all skill levels. We encourage you to experiment with the code and customize the design to match your website's branding. By the end of this video, you will have the knowledge and skills to create your own testimonial slider, which you can integrate into your website and impress your visitors. So, without further ado, let's dive into the exciting world of building a responsive certificate slider using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Party Popper Flex Biceps. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our upcoming tutorials. Now, let's get down to creating an awesome testimonial slider for your website. Rocket Laptop Computer. Thanks for watching, and let's continue this awesome journey of making a certificate slider using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.